Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by opening Pubg and going straight to Settings, Controls. You must pick the correct platform because layouts differ. Once selected, tap Customize to start editing. Make sure to backup or note current presets so you can revert. You're doing this now because immediate changes take effect differently on PC, console, and mobile. While in Customize, focus on high-priority actions first, like movement, aiming, and firing, so you can test them quickly in the next step. Now remap keys or touch buttons. Drag buttons to comfortable zones and assign primary actions like fire, aim, and movement. Adjust sizes and opacity so nothing obscures the HUD, and place frequently used controls within ergonomic reach. Make small changes and test in a training range immediately. This lets you see how positioning affects recoil control and reaction time. Also tweak camera and aim sensitivity here to match the new layout. Save a preset after each useful change, so you can finish by saving the preset and jumping into a training match to validate inputs under pressure. Pay attention to button reach, misfires, and aim steadiness. If you see lag or unresponsive input, restart Pubg, check controller connections, or recalibrate touch controls. If things still fail, restore your backup preset and apply changes one at a time to isolate the issue. Make sure to document the exact numbers and positions that feel right so you can reproduce them if an update resets your controls.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.